All right, summer's over. The kids are back to school. How do you reconnect with your partner? I've got relationship expert Vicki with me to give us some tips on that. So, hi, Vicki.
Hi, thanks for having me.
This looks lovely. This looks like everything I love in one setting. So talk to me about what we're doing.
Me too. So let's talk about kids are back to school and
thank God, the angels sing.
Absolutely. So I always say, like, if you're the parents that are standing in the driveway, praying that your children are off to school.
High five it. We're going.
Yeah, exactly. This is your chance to connect.
I like it.
So I suggest, and this is my suggestion, is that you take a few extra holiday days, save a few aside, and the first week back to school, spend it together.
I like that.
For sure.
Okay.
You've probably spent some time in the cabin.
Yep.
In a camper, maybe even in a tent or a hotel. It's really hard to stoke the fires when your
kids are in the next bed.
In the next bed. So this is a perfect opportunity for you to sort of come back together after the bus leaves and spend a little bit of time.
Quality time.
Quality time.
Okay, so we've got some stuff here.
Sure. So maybe you hop back into bed and have some mimosas. That sounds like a great idea to me.
Day drinking, right? A breakfast drink, I'm good with that, right?
Absolutely.
A mimosa's totally acceptable.
100%.
As a day drink.
And then, maybe you stay in bed for a little while longer. You add a little edible product. That makes it a little extra fun.
A little fun,
right?
Nice.
And then maybe some reconnecting in a shower together. And that's a great way.
Or a bubble bath.
Or a bubble bath. Yeah, it's just nice to care for each other and make each other a priority again.
Yes, absolutely. I love it. Now, if you want to get out of the house,
absolutely.
What are some ideas for that?
So think about actually doing some of the things you've done with your kids, like go to the zoo or, other.
But just the two of you?
Just the two of you. And then it's a whole other experience. You get to see different things because you're not chasing and you're not running around.
Oh my goodness, yes.
Yeah.
You wonder, why did we pay the admission if I'm just chasing this child, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you really want to, take control of that time you have together. I was telling you earlier that when I was a kid, we had a camper, and my parents would say, they would joke, don't come knocking when the trailer's rocking. I don't think they were kidding.
Look back now, this is the reason we have therapy.
That's exactly right. Now I understand.
But that's it. Totally right. They probably just wanted that reconnection time once you guys were all out of the house again.
They needed it. Yeah.
I love it. Some fantastic ideas. I remember what Mark and I did one time is city that we lived in. We looked up the top 10 places to go on a date day, and we got all of them in one shot.
Absolutely. Yeah. And it's a perfect way to sort of, like I said, just to see things with different eyes.
I love it. Thanks so much, Vicki. Guys, for more information like this, you can visit markandmandy.com. That's all the time we have for today, but we'll see you next time on The Marc and Mandy Show.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.